Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Minhajul Qawim, student ID number 121 from Agribusiness Class A. Here I went to present my final semester examination on Law, Business Ethics, and Law with the subject of Intellectual Property Rights. Okay, next slide is points from the discussion of intellectual property rights. Number 1, the definition of intellectual property rights. Number 2 is purpose and benefit of intellectual property rights. Number 3 is kind of intellectual property rights. Okay, next slide is definition of intellectual property rights or HKI. Intellectual property rights are rights obtained from the result of human thought to be able to produce a product, service, or process that is useful to society, or it could be that the intellectual property rights are the rights to enjoy economically the result of an intellectual creativity. Okay, next slide is function and purpose intellectual property rights or HKI. The following are the function and the also main purpose or creating intellectual property rights is 4 number. Number 1 is as legal production for creation owned by individual or group. Number 2 is anticipating on preventing violation other people intellectual property rights. Number 3 is increased competition, especially in terms of commercial the intellectual property rights. Number 4 is can be used as material for consideration on determining research on the strategies. Okay, next slide is types of intellectual property rights or HKI. Number 1 is copyright and related rights. Number 2 is trademark rights and geographic indication. Number 3 is patents. Number 4 trade secret. Number 5 is plant variety production. Number 6 is integrated circuit layout design. Number 7 is industrial design.
PT Hanjung Indonesia, Company Policy and Certification. Quality Policy. HSE Policy. Top War Policy. Drug and Alcohol Policy. ISO 9001-2008. IGAS Certification. ASME U-Stamp. ASME S-Stamp. ASME TT Stamp. PT Hanjung Indonesia, promising better world to global welfare with industrial technologies. PT Hanjung Indonesia, your best partner. PT Hanjung Indonesia, Lampung Factory, Jakarta Office, Korean Office. PT Hanjung Indonesia is one of global manufacturing and fabrication company which located in Bandar Lampung, Indonesia. PT Hanjung Indonesia established since 1997. Total area 234,155 meter square. Consists of main office, warehouse, power room, fabrication 1, yard A, painting and blasting shop. Yard A, assembly and commissioning area, private jetty A for loading and unloading. Yard B, assembly and commissioning area, private jetty B. Fabrication 2, pipe coaster facility. Painting and blasting shop B. Yard C, material storage area. PT Hanjung Indonesia have complete resource, facility, and large area for fabrication, assembly, and commissioning purpose. PT Hanjung Indonesia will achieve your project goals.
Okay, next slide is PT Hanjung Indonesia profile. PT Hanjung Indonesia is a heavy equipment and construction company owned by South Korea. PT Hanjung Indonesia is engaged on the business lines of coal mining and steel mills offshore, factories, petrochemical plants, and power plants. PT Hanjung Indonesia was founded in 1987 as a South Korea investment company in Indonesia. This factory is located in Lampung province with a manufacturing 231 and 402 meter per second and various types of automatic in equipment along with its own jetty facilities. Okay, next slide. PT Hanjung Indonesia case study. PT Hanjung Indonesia is dealing with the Lampung Regional Police because this multinational company is suspect of violating intellectual property rights or HKI by using illegal software and carrying out is the company operation. Okay, next slide is PT Hanjung Indonesia case study. The illegal use of software was carried out on 27 CPU units and 23 portable computer of various brands and inventory of PT Hanjung Indonesia. PT Hanjung Indonesia installed software without the permission of Takia Corp and Autotex. Takia Corp is company that produce software in Finland, specializing in software product for building construction and infrastructure management. And Autotex Inc. is multinational company based in the USA which makes software for the purpose of architecture, construction, machinery, industry, and media entertainment. Okay, next slide is PT Hanjung Indonesia sanction. PT Hanjung Indonesia will be subject to criminal responsibility as well. They are deemed to have violated law of the Republic of Indonesia number 19 102 concerning copyright article 72 paragraph 1 and paragraph 3. The suspect is threatened with imprisonment for a maximum of 5 years and the fine of 500 million. Okay, that's enough for my presentation. More or less, I'm sorry. Thank you. Wabillahi taufik walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ayo,